What's going on, guys? Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I wanted to talk with you guys about PayPal, why it was on my watch list, what I found interesting in it, how I saw the flow, and we saw an increased explosive move on PayPal, and how you guys could have been able to identify it. All right, so the reason why this was on my watch list was that PayPal on the daily is putting this resistance area at this 100.50. We can see that these candles are getting rejected at this level, and yesterday it closed pretty close to that 100.60. All right, so if this is a bear flag kind of forming here, what happens when this kind of breaks to the upside? Well, we get a short-term reversal. All right, now if that short-term reversal happens, what is our first area of resistance? Our first area of resistance is going to be the 20 moving average, which in this case is sitting close to around 106.40. All right, now let's take a closer look at the intraday time and what caught my attention. So because this was on my watch list and we had a gap up, we can see that we have clear resistance here in the pre-market at these levels of 103.60. All right, now market opens, I kind of have this on my watch list, this pops up here, we see that rejection of that pre-market level, again confirmed. All right, now if you guys have been following me, earlier today I talked about the importance of hammer candles, right? So we have this sell-off happening, and this hammer candle was the first indication that I started paying attention to this ticker. All right, we put a hammer candle off of this 200 moving average, and gets really interesting right here. If you pop back over to the flow here, you see that they're really starting to come in, and the bullish flow is starting to pour in here. All right, this is at around 113. What time is this? 104. At around 113, a few minutes after that, they really start coming in here. All right, now just to remind you guys again what the hammer candle is, at the bottom of a downtrend, you put in a hammer candle off of a major support area, we continue to the upside. All right, now it's not done there. If you didn't get involved here, you had another great opportunity. Why? We have a double bottom that forms here, the neckline being that pre-market resistance at 103.60. Now when that neckline breaks, that's when you want to get involved, and that's when the flow starts continuing to come in with that bullish sentiment, and that neckline flow breaks right here at this 103.61, and this stock really just takes off, hitting highs of 106.16. And if you recall, that 20 moving average on the daily was right around this 106 area. All right, guys, so hopefully you found value in this, combining a candlestick pattern with an actual bigger pattern, teaming it up with that resistance from the pre-market and the intraday level, getting in, taking advantage of that explosive move up, and you got yourself a solid trade here. All right, hopefully you guys found this video educational. If you did, make sure you like and retweet. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next one.